One of the things that makes the automotive collision program unique is the fact that we are the only post-secondary program in the state of Maine and also the only one accredited in all of New England. We apply a real-world concept where we work on jobs with actual repair orders and students actually punch a time clock. And we cover everything A to Z, bumper to bumper on the automotive repair, the refinish side, heavy frame repair, and estimating. Everything is computerized today, and everything is computerized in the vehicle. So we're using computers to diagnose, color matching, to measuring frames, just using computers everywhere in this industry. NMCC continually invests in equipment and the latest technology for us to use in our labs. Our latest investment was our downdraft spray booth. It's current technology and it works exactly as it does in industry, where we can force dry finishes and get the vehicle back to the customer sooner. We do the 2-day trip to Bangor and we work in a shop beside technicians for 2 days, the seniors, and they get a chance to see what the real world is actually like. We come back here and I institute what they have seen there in the program, so they kind of know what to expect when they leave here. Employment opportunities in this field, as in most fields with hands-on skills, are wide open. Typically, it's any student that graduates that wants a job will have a job. For a student to be successful in the auto collision field, you need to be dependable, you need to be on time, and willing to work, and willing to learn. The vehicles change every day, and you have to be willing to keep up with technology in order to be successful in this industry. It's very self-satisfying when you see a vehicle leave your shop that came in from an accident. It could be a minor fender bender or it could be a major collision repair. When that vehicle leaves and that job is completed and you can't see where that vehicle has been touched, it's very rewarding.